This time I'm going to use elimination as the technique for solving a pair of equations. And my equations this time are 2x minus 5y equals minus 18, and 3x plus 4y equals 19. Here's my system. Elimination means that I'm going to eliminate one of the variables. And what I'm going to do is multiply both equations through by a number that allows me to wipe out one of those variables. And this is what I'm going to do. I notice that I've got a minus here in front of the y term and a plus here in front of the y term here. So I'm going to work on these. Let's get rid of that and get rid of that out of the way. I'm going to multiply both of these equations by a number that's going to allow me to get rid of the y. What I see right now is I want to multiply this equation through by 4 and this equation through by 5. When I do that, I'm going to get a minus 20y here and a plus 20y here. Best thing to do is watch. Multiply through the top one, I get 8x minus 20y is equal to minus 72. On the bottom, I get 15x plus 20y is equal to 95. Just real quick, if I have an equation A equals B, I can multiply it through by C and I get CA is equal to CB. Just wanting you to know the legalities of this. And if I have two things that are equal and I want to add a third term, say B, to both sides, then CA plus B is equal to CB plus B. Those are the little letter techniques that I'm using. These are rules from early algebra that I'm using here with this system of equations. This is legal. Make sure you understand this is legal. I'm not just pulling some trick out of my hat. Now I'm going to add these two equations together, which is basically what I did over here. Draw my line. I get 23x 0y is equal to 95 minus 72 is 23. It's pretty nice. Now I know that x is equal to 1. Substituting back into my original equation, if x is equal to 1, then 2 times 1 plus, or I'm sorry, didn't even write a plus, minus 5y is equal to minus 18. When I subtract 2 from both sides, I get negative 5y is equal to negative 20, which means that y is equal to 4. So my solution is 1, 4. Now, of course, I want to check. Does this work? Is it true that 2 times 1 minus 5 times 4 is negative 18? Yes. Is it true that 3 times 1 plus 4 times 4 is equal to 19? Yes. It works. That's elimination.